Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay with PayPal without credit card. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for paypal.com. Now, make sure to sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home web page. Here, click on Pay and Get Paid embed at the top. Now, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to link your bank account and all of your cards here. So in case you want to make a payment without link to a card, you can do two things. Number one is to link a bank account. For that, click on the bank account embed, then put all of your account details and then click on Agree and Link button. Or you can use the second method. For that, you can try to create an invoice and pay that to yourself. So, in the invoice section, enter all of the required details to complete the process. But if you notice, it is written here that customers can only add funds from their bank account to their PayPal account when they have a negative balance. It means that sending an invoice is a much better option. Another thing that you can try doing is getting yourself a gift card so you can add that into your PayPal account. For that, go to eGift Card website and search for PayPal. After adding the eGift card, you will be prompted of new payments received and your gift card will appear in your account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.